guys, Patrick here. In this video I'll show you how to create items. Okay, so pretty much everything we need is in our warehousing tab here. So you need to come to your warehousing tab, and then you'll find a link to your items list at the far right here. So we click that and it takes us to a list of all the items we have on the system. To create a new item, we'll click on our add button there. This opens up a dialog, and then at the bottom here we can do edit full form, which will give us the full form for the item document. So here, what is the name of the item? I'll say example item here. Now copy this and I'll use it under the name as well. Item group is a question of how do you guys think about this item? Is it a fungicide? Is it a fertilizer? How do you categorize it? So here I'll leave mine as all items group, but I hope you have an idea what to put there. For unit of measure, I will use kg. So this is how the system will think about measuring this item, right? After this, we do our opening stock. How much of this do we have on the day that we're creating it? I'll say we have 10. Now let's say 20. And then what's the valuation rate? So what's the value of these things when they're sitting in our warehouses? For now, I'll use 10. And we're done with our details there. We go over to inventory. Inventory will skip pretty much the whole of this first section, and we'll go straight to auto reorder. Auto reorder, you can see we have a number of columns in our table here. First column is asking us for which warehouse it should check in. We use all warehouses here, and then request for which warehouse is requesting for these items. So when the order is processed, where will the items be sent? Which might be the workstation or the pump house. But my end here, since I don't have any of those on my system, I'll just say stores, reorder level. As our stock levels are reducing as we're using these things, at what level, when we get to what level, should the system then throw this reorder request? So mine here, I'll say when it gets to 10. So about 20, we keep consuming and we get to 10, it should order how many? I'll ask it to order 10 more. So that 10 plus 10, I'm maintaining a level of 20 units in stock. And the purpose here, material request type, I'll leave this as purchase. And then after this, we will go to our units of measure. So sometimes, even though our units of measure by default is kg, we might get this item in 50 kgs perhaps. Maybe we buy it in a bag of 50 kg. So then we need to tell the system how to relate a 50 kg and a 1 kg. So here, I think I will use a 10 kg instead. I already have a unit for 10 kg. And then how many kgs are in 1 kg, are in 10 kgs here, right? How many of my default unit of measure are in this unit here? So we know that we have 10 kgs and 10 kg. Yeah. After that, we go over to our accounting. All we need to do here is add a row and the name of our warehouse. I will say stores here. So if you're at the pump house, you say pump house. And then we go over to purchasing. Purchasing, what is the default unit of default purchase unit of measure? So maybe we buy this in the 10 kg bags. So I'll say 10 kg here. Smallest amount I can ever order, I'll say it's 10 kg. After that, I will provide my supplier name there. Since I don't have the list that you guys have, I'll just say Adam. And after you do that, you're good to go. You just need to save the document and your item is ready to go.